a.m. in the morning. We barely slept. We are now here in the station. We're taking a ferry to Barcelona. And I feel like dying because we were out last night and now we are in my ferry station. We're taking Baleares to Barcelona. I don't even have energy to film this, but I'm just gonna take a nap. I will take a nap, but hopefully I don't miss it. But I have a responsible one over here that's going to wake me up. Good night. We took a ferry to go to Barcelona, and the company that we took is Baleares. It's a very nice, spacious, and very, very good ferry. We paid around 15 euros for the simple one. They have also a sleeping, like a camerino with beds, or you also have like with seats and everything, but we didn't really care about that. And also upstairs, there's restaurants. There is an upper deck outside where there is a swimming pool. You can rest, you can hang out there, you can see the ocean, and lots of people lay down outside as well, just by chilling by the pool. I mean, it's a long ride. It's 8 hours, so if you have a choice of having a bed, then great. If not, people just have coffees or whatever, or they just come here and lay down. We really just sat down in the interior. We didn't really come outside to sleep. I just came out to film this so I can show it to you. But our ride was good. For 15 euros to get to Barcelona, that was really great. Especially if you have lots of luggage or you're traveling with your car, it's perfect. I don't really know how much it costs when you take your car with you, but I mean, it's still great. We have arrived to Barcelona. After we collected our bags, we were waiting for the bus to take us to the other side of the port, because this side of the port is where the ferries stop, and you can't really get buses, taxis, and cars are not allowed to come on this side. So they provide their own buses to get the people to go to the other side of the port. Once we get to the other side of the port, you can take your taxis, rental cars, or buses, trains, metros, or whatever type of transport method that you're looking for. At the same time, the port is right in the middle of the city, so if your hotel is around there, you can walk or use the electric bicycles. After we got to our hotel, freshened up and checked in, we went out to an asador for dinner. Mimi. In the morning, we came to San Jose la Boqueria, because since we only have one day to explore and see Barcelona, we started the day off with this market. You have everything from fruit to sandwiches to seafood to chocolate and lots of fresh juices and jamon. Everything. We're gonna eat something very quick. You have churros con chocolate? You want? Manchuro? Public transport in Barcelona is very good. You have train, you have metros, you have buses, you have electric bicycles, and all of these transport very easy to use. They're also well communicated and very affordable. Disturbing traffic to take our lovely photos. I don't blame the Barcelona people for hating us. I'm sweat. Look! Right in the middle! Sorry, Barcelona people, lo siento mucho. I've been here. Let's go. In my past life, I was Gaudi. Look how gorgeous. Wow. The details. The details are detailing. I am so talented. In the 18th century, when I was called Gaudi, I did so much for this world, and one of those things that I did was create this fantastic and fabulous church called Sagrada Familia. It's still not finished. I don't know what you guys are waiting for. I died a long time ago. Do your thing and finish it. I know the architecture nowadays is not up to my standards, but come on now. I left it, up to here. Disappointing you are, this generation, people. Disappointing. Now I had to come back as an African woman to visit it, and I'm very disappointed. I'm gonna go visit now my other places that I created and see how they are. Jokes aside, Gaudi is amazing architect who built all of these legendary buildings. We couldn't see everything that Barcelona have to offer in a few hours, and we didn't want to leave without seeing much, especially for Mimi because it was her first time. Even though I'm a big believer in walking around to see the city, we don't have enough time, so we took the tour bus that goes around the city, and this way we got to see most of the landmarks of Barcelona without having to walk around a long time. And this way we covered and managed to see lots of the touristic sites and learned a lot of things from the audio guide they gave us on the bus. Wonderful. I'm not gonna go there, but they're falling on my face. Oh my days. Here is the Barcelona Club. What do you call it? The stadium. Very nice, very fine.
Y sigue caminando como yo por el camino de los sufrimientos. Aquel que sufre con resignación mata poquito a poco su tormento. Adiós amor, que seas feliz toda la vida.
And this, my friends, is how we spend less than 24 hours in Barcelona. Now we're off to our next destination, that is Vienna. Since when you have like a connecting flight like this, make sure to enjoy a little bit of the city that you're going to. That's what we did. We were passing back Vienna because our main destination is Paris. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new today. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!